Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I'll be telling you about how does the QA jobs market looks like in 2024 year. So how does the job market looks in the year of 2024? So we would be discussing about that thing in detail, and many of the people are asking, is there a recession going on? Or have we come out of that recession mode? Or is the recession going to come in the future? So we would be looking about these particular things in detail. Now, before we speak about the recession, so let me tell you a very factual thing that I have been discussing about the job opportunities and the people who are trying to apply for the software testing jobs within India and as well as outside India as well. So in abroad, if you see Canada, US, UK, I'm in touch with various folks who are looking for software testing jobs. So I can frankly say that within India, the job market is much better compared to US or compared to Canada as well. In India, you would get a lot of people who are applying and there are job opportunities as well. If you will think about the September period that was there in the 2023, at that time the job market was not open. But if you will consider this particular time from April 2024 onwards, the job market has opened. And there are few things that you need to take care in order to get the job in the year of 2024. So this is a 5-pointer chart that I have created. So let me walk you through this particular things so that you get a fair idea of how does the job market in 2024 looks like. Because if you will see the jobs, applying jobs and getting a job before COVID, before pandemic was altogether a different experience compared to today's time. So first thing is it's all about mentorship. It's all about networking. It's very important that you choose some particular mentor, you follow them and you connect with them. So I have some of the mentorship things available on TopMate. You can connect with me and you can seek all these informations on a timely basis. If you want to get your resume reviewed, if you want to get your career guidance, if you want to get things like any kind of question answer. So recently, if you will see, we had also published managerial situational based interview questions answers, specially designed for testers, specially designed for QA people. And you can get 25% of discount also on this. So I would be putting this link in the comment section of the video. See, it's very important to connect with someone. Definitely, you can learn all these things by yourself. There is nothing wrong in that. But if you will connect with a mentor, the road, the path would be easier for you compared to the people who are trying by themselves. Even if you try by yourself, I'm not telling you won't be getting the job. But if you want a job quickly, then let's connect for a 1:1 mentorship, and we can I can help you, I can assist you in coming out with a roadmap that is specially designed for you. So these kind of things are available. And second thing is networking. On LinkedIn, it is very important that you grow your network. On LinkedIn, it is very important that you showcase active things on your profile. You don't have to post something like, I would say people are posting about question answers, or some people are posting about that about any kind of jokes. You don't have to post them. You can post about the real time things, how you would be testing in this particular situation, how you would be testing in this healthcare domain, or for example, e-commerce domain. So those kind of experiences, your own real-time experiences, what LinkedIn is looking for. Second thing is automation. These days, the tech interviews, if you will see the technical interviews, they have started asking questions on automation, pure automation, BDD, page object model, Selenium WebDriver. And it's not only just Selenium WebDriver. People are not looking just for Selenium WebDriver. People are also looking for API automation. Earlier, people were looking just for UI automation, but now they are expecting that you should know API automation. And it's not just the theoretical knowledge. It's not just the WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver, but how are you going to use it in your projects? So this point is connected to the real-time projects as well. If you haven't got an opportunity in the company in which you are working, that's totally fine. You work on Saturdays and Sundays and you create a real-time project in which you get an exposure of how the things are being done in the companies, how the things are being done in the real-time applications, in the real-time jobs. So you'll get an idea of what kind of test automation knowledge is necessary. If you will understand the things, if you'll watch the videos, that is good. But it makes a lot of difference when you actually try to get into those core things and you try to develop the test automation script, design the test automation scripts for the web applications. So that is altogether what the tech interviews are looking for. Not only that, but if you are showcasing some kind of a programming language, let it be a Java, let it be a Python. So they are asking you to write the programs, and your program should run successfully. Once your Java program is running successfully, then and then only you would be asked Selenium automation questions or any other test automation tool questions. But if your core programming language, which you are showcasing in your resume, if you haven't got a grip, or if you are unable to solve that particular question, then definitely your chances to get selected in an interview would get reduced, because the job market has opened in India compared to outside, and there are many people who are applying for these job opportunities. So it's not just, for example, you get two vacancies and you won't see four or five people coming. You would see hundreds or even thousands of people are coming for the interviews. There are multiple people who are looking for the jobs in these days in the market. One is people who have got laid off. Second is people who want to switch. Third is people who are trying by themselves, like to come to know about, they want to know what is their market value. So they'll be giving interviews, right? They will be coming up for the questions and answers, those kind of things. So these things are happening in the market. Okay. Next is, many people are stopping to apply until and unless they are prepared for the interviews. Yesterday itself, I was connected to one of my subscriber. She was telling, sir, I have stopped applying for the jobs because I want to prepare for the software testing interviews. So I asked her, how much time do you think you would need to prepare for these interviews? So she was blank, because there's no answer for this question. See, you will never ever be able to prepare for an interviews for 100%. But if you will start giving the interviews, at least you would get to know which are the areas in which you would need improvement, which are the areas in which you can rely on your learnings itself, which are the areas wherein you are unable to answer in an interview. So you can give mock interviews as well. So we have slots available on TopMate for mock interviews. Those are 30 minutes of interview. You can give mock interview for manual testing, functional testing. You can give mock interview for mobile based testing. You can give mock interview for automation, core Java, all these things. So very important, don't stop applying to the jobs just because you're not getting a call. You're not getting a call, then there are so many reasons behind that. There can be an issue with the resume, there can be an issue with the skill set, there can be an issue with the location as well. Maybe you are trying to apply for the location which is in Bangalore, but you are in Pune. So they will not call you because they know person will not be relocating from Pune to Bangalore. I can understand. Two or three people out of 10 might be relocating. So that is 20 to 30%. So they might not be calling you. They will be first looking for local candidates only, because they don't need offer shoppings, right? That increases stress from the recruitment, from the hiring manager perspective as well. Okay. So this is very important. Then the fifth, as I was mentioning earlier as well, the real-time projects, it will play a vital role. So you have to work on real-time projects, right? It's very important that you showcase the real-time things in your resume. Many people are there who are working on automation, but they are not working on code coding based automation like Selenium automation. They are working on inbuilt automation tools wherein you have some kind of a drag and drop or nothing code kind of things are to be done. So those are simple record and playback tools. So those tools will not help you to get a job in 2024. You have to learn coding. That is only the key thing in 2024. So the job market has opened in 2024. If you will see compared to India outside. So compared to abroad, the job market has opened in India. The recession in India is not there. But if you'll see, if you are looking for job opportunities in Canada, US, UK, definitely a different kind of a roadmap is required, wherein you need to prepare accordingly. It would not be so easy as earlier, and even the jobs are less. But compared to India, the jobs are less. But in India, you can see more and more job opportunities. So definitely you have to start applying. and you have to start getting the jobs. So let me know if you need any of the assistance from my side. And at last, let me also tell you about this managerial based situational interview questions and answers, which you can avail it today itself with this discount rate, right? So thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.